Hello, good morning everybody. Hope you all are very fine, taking good care of yourself. Welcome to the virtual classes of Jet Kids International School Pusat. Okay, where we will discuss the new topic today, that is lesson number 7. Okay, first of all, before going to start these PPT presentations, I would like to tell you that we have successfully completed lesson number 1 to 6 along with exercise part as well. Hope you people are in touch with the studies, hope you people are learning all the question answers, hope you all are going through all the lessons and each and every concept which we have discussed so far. Okay, this is very important to keep in touch with the studies, and hope you all are watching the videos as per the schedule given to you all. Okay, so moving on, let us discuss today's topic, class 6th subject science, and we will discuss today lesson number 7, that is getting to know the plants. Okay, we all know the plants. Okay, plants are surrounded us, plants we can see near our home, near our surroundings with the different kinds of structure, right? And we all know plants are very useful to the humans, okay, as we all get oxygen from the plants. Plants gives us oxygen, not only oxygen but plants also provide us different n number of things, I must say, right from food, shelter, oxygen in which air we breathe, and many more things. Endless things are there which we get from plants. So today we will try to know the plants even more better. Okay, today we will know the plants, we will try to get the different kinds of useful information regarding plants. Okay, let me tell you, the chapter is not new to us. Okay, in every classes we have the topic plants, right from class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plants, types of plants, different parts of plants, their uses and everything. Here also we will try to learn something more, we will try to learn something new, we will try to learn something brief regarding plants. Okay, so I am ready with the PPT presentation where we will discuss different kinds of types of plants in this video. Later we will discuss the further part of the plant. Okay, so let us start with the chapter number 7, getting to know plants. Okay, first of all, let us see the plants are classified into 5 main parts, or we can say the types of plants as well. So classification of plants is trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers. You can see the pictures as well. Trees are what, herbs are what, shrubs are what, climbers are what, and creepers are what. Okay, we will see in detail what are the types of plants and how do they are different from each type, what are the function of these types of plants, and what are the different kinds of examples of plants as well. Okay, so let us move forward. First of all, let us discuss about trees. Okay, you all know what are trees, even we can see the trees around our neighborhood. Okay, trees are tall and big plants with hard and thick woody stem. See, there are 3 things given there in the definition of trees. First of all, trees are tall and big plants, obviously with hard thick woody stem. Number second, the trees have one main stem called trunk. Okay, there is a one main stem of a tree called trunk which usually gives out branches and leaves. From where do we get branches and leaves? From the big stem called trunk. And number 3, the trees are very big in size. Obviously, trees are very big in size. See, here we want to discuss what are trees. First of all, trees are something which is tall. Obviously, trees are very tall and they are very big plants. Okay, trees are tall and big plants with hard and woody stem. The stem of the tree is very hard and woody, okay, which is unbreakable, which is very strong, we can say. The stem of the tree is very strong, woody and hard, obviously hard in case you can see strong as well. Then the tree have one main stem, the big stem which is under the ground, and the entire tree is holding by the stem called trunk, okay, which usually give out branches and leaves as well. And the very important thing that we have to discuss regarding tree is they are very big in size. Mostly all the trees are very big in size. Let us see the examples of trees. First of all, see the picture of a tree having many leaves, having many branches, and having one main stem called trunk. The example of trees are mango tree, which is given in the picture, neem tree, banyan tree, and many more trees are there, okay, which are big in size. Okay, so these are the things which we have discussed regarding trees. See the picture of a tree. Moving on, the second types of a plant, that are shrubs. Okay, let us see what is the definitions of shrubs. Shrubs are a woody plant smaller than a tree. Obviously, shrubs are smaller than a tree, usually having multiple permanent stems branching from or near the ground. Usually shrubs are having woody stems, they are having multiple permanent stems branching from or near the ground. Okay, these shrubs are smaller than trees, but not too much small as well. Okay, having woody stem. See the picture of shrubs. The tulsi plant is the best example of shrubs. Okay, we all know tulsi plant is everybody is having at your home. So tulsi plant is the best example of shrubs, I can say. Tulsi's stem is not so soft. Okay, you can touch and you can feel the stem of the tulsi plant is a little bit hard, or we can say it is a woody stem. But tulsi plant is smaller than a tree. The mango tree is bigger or tulsi plant is bigger? Obviously, the mango tree is bigger than tulsi plant. Tulsi plant is smaller than size. Okay. Moving on, let us see some examples of shrubs. Okay. Examples of shrubs are rose, tulsi, lemon, jasmine. These are the example of shrubs. Okay. Now we will discuss what are herbs. Herbs are small plants having a soft and delicate stem. Here herbs are soft and delicate stem. Okay. Here stems are very soft. Herbs do not have woody stems, obviously, and herbs have a green and tender stem. What is meant by tender? Tender is nothing but easy to cut or chew. Okay. Herb stems are tender, so they are easy to chew, they are easy to cut. We can easily bend the stem of a herb. Obviously, the herb stems are very soft, very delicate, so we can easily bend the stem of a herb. Examples of herbs are wheat, rice, which is paddy, we can say, cabbage, tomato, mustard, radish, sunflower, carrot, ginger, turnip, and etc. These are the many examples of herbs, and these all are edible. These all the plants are edible plants, which they are having their tender stem, which can easily chew, or they can easy to chew or easy to cut as well. Okay, let us see the picture of a herb. Here I have given the picture of wheat plant. Okay, wheat plant is also the example of a herb. Okay, moving on, climbers. The next type of plants are climbers. What are climbers? They branch much above the ground. They have a thin stem. They have a thick stem as well. Climbers are nothing but they are having thin, long and weak stem, or they are having weak stem which needs support, which cannot stand upright but rapidly climbs up a neighboring support like a fence or a tree or a wall, we can say, is called a climber or a climber plant. Simply I would like to define the climber. Climbers are nothing but they have a soft stem or they have a weak stem that needs support to grow, whether wall, whether tree, whether any of the rod, we can say you might have seen the money plant. Money plant is the best example of climbers. Climber needs support to grow because they have a very weak stem. Okay, here is an example of money plant. Okay, you can see the picture of money plant. Money plant is growing with the support of a stick. With the support of a stick, they are having weak stem which needs support to grow. Which need support to grow. Moving on, creepers. The last fifth type of the plant is creepers, and let us see what is the definition of creeper. Creepers are plant with weak stem that grow along the ground. Okay, creeper are the plants which have weak stem and that grow along the ground. Around another plant or up a wall by means of extending stems or branches. Okay, creepers have extending branches, extra branches we can say. They have very fragile stem. What is meant by fragile? Fragile is nothing but easily broken or damaged. Creepers branches are easily broken or easily damaged. That is fragile stem that can neither stand erect nor support all of its weight. Okay, it is much weighted fruit. If it is much weighted fruit is there of creeper, they are nor support all of its weight and neither stand erect. Okay, they are not able to stand even erect and nor support all its weight. The example of creepers are watermelon, pumpkin, sweet potato. These are the examples of creepers. Let us see what are the pictures of creeper. Here bottle gourd. Bottle gourd is the one of the best example of the creeper, I must say. Okay. So here are the 5 main types of plants given along with the definitions and the picture as well. Hope you all have understand it better. Now before going to wind up, here one activity is given there in your table number 7.1 in your NCERT book. Okay, how to identify whether the particular plant is a herb, shrub, climber, creeper or a tree. Okay, there are some certain columns are given there. Plant name. Okay, see plant name. Then column 1 is height. Okay, as per height also we can identify whether the plant is shrub, whether the plant is herb, whether the plant is tree. Then in column 2, type of stem is given there, where we can say the type of the stem which is green, tender, thick or hard. Okay, as per that also we can identify easily what the type of the plant is. And then in column 3, where do the branches appear? Okay, where do the branches appear is given there, where we can discuss at the base of the stem or higher up on the stem. Okay, due to these 2 types of where do the branches appear, we can identify which kind of plant is this. And last column 4, category of plant. Okay, so let us go for it. First of all, we'll see the plant of tomato. Okay, tomato plant is given there. Column 1, height. Height is shorter than me, obviously shorter than you. Okay, the height of the tomato plant is not so big. Then green stem, yes. Tender means what I say tender means? Tender means easy to cut or easy to chew. Yeah, tomato stem is tender. Thick, no. Hard, no. At the base of the stem, no. Then higher on the stem, also no. So what kind of plant it is? It is a herb. Tomato plant is a herb. Now mango. Mango is much taller than me, obviously. Mango plant, mango tree is taller than us. Green, tender, no. Thick stem. Mango stem is thick. Yes, it is hard. Yes, higher up on the stem. And the category of the plant is tree. Yes, mango is a tree. Number 3rd, lemon. Lemon height is slightly taller than me. Obviously, lemon plants are slightly taller than us. Then their stem is not green, not tender, not thick, but hard. Yes. I told you shrubs are also harder stem like a tree. So they have a harder stem and their stem is appear at the base of the stem. Yes. And the type of the category of the lemon plant is shrubs. Okay. So here we have seen the table number 7.1, which is very helpful to you all to identify what the category of the plant is. As per these are the features, as per these features we can easily identify whether the plant is shrubs, whether the plant is herb, tree or climbers or creepers. Okay. Hope you all guys have understand these 5 main types of the plants in detail. In next video we will discuss the further parts. We will try to keep the PPT presentations over here and we will explain this lesson very briefly. Okay. Hope you all have understand this today's PPT presentation. You all love this PPT presentation. Here we will wind up, and I would like to say thank you for attending this PPT and watch it again and again and try to go through the lesson which is given in the textbook of NCERT, as I told you last time also. Go thoroughly, read each and every sentences. It is very beautifully given examples and activities in your NCERT book, and keep in touch with the studies. Okay. Thank you and have a nice time ahead.